Welcome back to Gage Insider, a channel dedicated to serving the manufacturing community around the world. Thank you to our host, GreatGages.com, a one-stop shop for all your precision measuring needs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an upload. Introducing our new Industrial Waterproof Borescope, fitted with a 4.3-inch IPS display, 8 bright LED lights, and a 32-foot cable, viewing small spaces has never been easier. To power the unit on, simply press and hold the power button. To zoom in and out, press the magnifying glass icons just above the power. You can also adjust the brightness of the camera by pressing the buttons with the sun icons. You can also rotate the viewfinder 180 degrees and adjust the color of the video if needed in your applications. This unit has a semi-rigid cable, so you can adjust it for hard-to-reach spaces. Depending on your needs, this unit comes with 3 different heads for your cable. A magnet, so you can easily attract substances made of metal, a hook for hooking foreign objects, and a side mirror so you can observe at a 90-degree angle. This unit also comes with a USB charging cable and has a 3.5-hour battery life when fully charged, so you have a long working window for your applications. Once again, thank you so much for watching Gage Insider. For more information, visit GreatGages.com, or you can look down in the description for our toll-free number. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.